In this video, I want to talk about the family engagement plan that you'll be completing later in the semester. As it says at the top, this paper will ask you, or this assignment will ask you to develop a classroom family engagement plan. The resources provided below, these resources here, cover the following areas: communication to and from parents, parents as partners in student learning, parent volunteers, the school as a resource for parents as decision makers, and identifying community resources. These are the links that I provide for you, or the resources that I provide for you, but you can also research other resources to address these issues. And again, just kind of as a broad statement, I guess I failed to mention at the beginning, what you're doing in this assignment is creating a family engagement plan. As you have already begun to learn, as many of you already know, most of you already know, and as both of our texts will continue to reiterate, as well as other course readings, you're to address the type of inequities that we are seeing in schools. One strategy for that is to engage families in addressing these issues and to make them a part of all aspects of our schools and learning. So with that said, number two addresses completing the actual plan, the family engagement plan, and you're going to start that by identifying and addressing, reflecting on, writing about the current state of family engagement in the school where you're currently working. And this is worth 40 points. To do this, I would encourage you to review and reflect on the questions below. And that is these questions here. Okay? Notice that it says you do not have to provide a written answer for these questions in this table. Okay? Now you may address some of them, you may address some or all of them here in the current state of your family engagement. Okay, but you don't have to complete both of those. You don't have to complete the questions and the form. The questions that are here to guide your reflection and guide what you want to say about the current state of engagement for families in your school. Next, you're going to develop a classroom and school family engagement plan. You should do this by identifying at least 5 ways that family engagement might be improved in your school. You should also include references to course materials, key concepts, other peer-reviewed information for all 5 family engagement examples. And your plan should be APA formatted. This is worth 60 points. The whole assignment is worth 100, and I have provided an example of a family engagement plan in the folder at the top of Moodle. So that's what the family engagement plan is going to consist of. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to email, text, or call me.